PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. It's a procedure we do here that basically we take your blood, we spin it down, we take that plasma, put it in little syringes and inject it into your face in the problematic areas or areas that you like to be treated, like dark circles under the eyes or wrinkles, rejuvenation for hands, and we also do necks and décolletage. Very effective for rejuvenation overall of the skin and help with reducing wrinkles and things like that. So the process of having PRP done is, like I said before, we take blood, we spin the blood down, we take the plasma, put it in little syringes that gets injected into your skin. After that, we take if we have extra plasma, which normally make sure we do a little bit extra, to use that with a dermapen to put that onto the skin while we use the dermapen over the areas. That's also referred to as a vampire facial. And after that you go under the LED lights, and the light therapy helps with the healing process and also helps to prevent bruising.